Python is a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-learn programming language that is used by millions of developers worldwide. Python's popularity has skyrocketed in recent years, making it one of the most sought-after skills in the tech industry. In this article, we will discuss Python for beginners, covering what Python is, why it's so popular, and how to get started with the language. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python's syntax is designed to be simple and easy to read, making it an excellent language for beginners to learn. Python is an object-oriented language, which means that it uses objects to represent data and manipulate it. Python's flexibility allows it to be used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data science to artificial intelligence and more. Why is Python so popular? Python's popularity has grown in recent years for several reasons. Firstly, it's easy to learn and use, making it an ideal language for beginners. Additionally, Python has a vast library of pre-built modules and packages that can be used to accomplish a wide range of tasks, from web development to data analysis to scientific computing. Python's flexibility also means that it can be used in a wide range of industries and applications, making it a valuable skill for developers to have. Getting started with Python. If you're interested in learning Python, the good news is that there are many resources available to help you get started. Here are some steps you can take to begin learning Python. Install Python. The first step is to install Python on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official Python website. Python is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Choose an integrated development environment. An IDE is a software application that provides a comprehensive environment for coding, testing, and debugging. Some popular IDEs for Python include PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Spider. Learn the basics. Once you have Python and an IDE installed, it's time to start learning the basics of the language. There are many resources available for learning Python, including books, online courses, and tutorials. Some popular resources for learning Python include Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn Python is to practice writing code. There are many websites that provide coding challenges and exercises, such as HackerRank and LeetCode. Additionally, you can find open-source Python projects on sites like Github to practice your skills and learn from other developers. Conclusion. Python is an excellent language for beginners to learn, thanks to its ease of use and versatility. Python's popularity has grown rapidly in recent years, making it a valuable skill for developers to have. With the right resources and a willingness to learn, anyone can become proficient in Python and begin building their own projects.